Wow. The fan blade, I took the center part off already, but wow, this thing broke. Hope the motor's okay. Hope the coil's okay. Wow. Yeah, thank you, Lord. Wow. But wow. Okay, I got I ordered a, wow, got a new 3-bracket one, and yeah, this is the part number on this, on the 3-bracket one. Usually they're about all 4-bracket, but the new ones, I guess, are this piece of junk coil. This thing's an absolute piece of junk. Been a lemon from day one. When I first got it, when I started it up, it blew the fuses out of the unit on the roof. Found out the wires it wasn't wired right. It was wired like the, what do you call it? The yellow wires in there were like shorted together across the line. Somebody just put the wires on and didn't even wire it right. So I had to go through and check all the wiring and found a couple wires wrong. And then this and the temperature control in here took a crap about a month into the unit working. So this is the 3rd failure in like 2 years. Not even, like, just on 2 years old. What an absolute piece of crap. Like NorCal says, everything made during COVID or whatever right now is absolute garbage. Yeah, I think it might even have a leak in the coil somewhere too. Absolute garbage. Have you guys noticed these ECM motors vibrate like a mother fricker? It vibrates really bad. Wow. Check this out. They must be having a bunch of these things breaking. See, this one doesn't have any big circle reinforcement around it. Look at this one, man. They put this big old beefy, super beefy 1/4 inch around, almost like 3/8 around. Yeah, it's like 3/8 around, big old beefy steel thing, because they knew that these things are breaking off over here, I guess. But that they didn't beef up the actual metal on the thing where it broke. It broke right here. Oh, that sucks. Yeah, absolute garbage. Wow. Okay, this is the motor that goes in there. Model F2208 A4034, serial 2102. So that's February of 21. It was made probably 1/15 horsepower, 28230. Piece of garbage. I think it still works, but vibrates like a mother. Have you guys been finding that these things vibrate like a son of a gun? Absolutely terrible. Man, this motor turns really rough, man. Like, because it's those magnets or whatever, but wow, they're really strong pulls. You can hear the thing vibrating like that. Man, I don't know. This is my first, I replaced one of these motors in a freezer a couple years ago, and I don't think it was like that bad. That motor I'm getting a new motor. That thing's junk. This thing's like crap. Yeah, something's got to be wrong with that thing. I got kind of a cool idea. I keep one of these little things in my Ziploc bag in my bag. Silicone grease for doing O-rings. I just thought of another really good use for it. Put a little on the shaft on here, little lube. hopefully I can get this video. I'm gonna put it on. Hopefully this video shows up the right way.